So hey guys, welcome back to another video, and in this video I'm going to show you how to use WhatsApp web without scanning QR code on your PC and laptop. And how to do this, let's get started. First, what you need to do is open WhatsApp web on your Google Chrome or any browser you like, and then just click on link with phone number. Once you do this, it will give you a code, but before that it will ask you for your phone number. Just enter your phone number and then it will give you a code. Now just open WhatsApp on your phone and then just click on these three dots and then click on link devices. Now just click on link a device button, and here just click on link with phone number instead. Now here you have to enter the code which you have seen before on your computer screen. Just enter the code, and once you do this, just hit OK, and then your WhatsApp will be start working on your PC without scanning QR code. So yes, this is how you can do it. If your problem still occurs, so make sure to comment down below so we can bring a detailed guide on this video. Alright, that's it for today's tutorial. I really hope this video helped you solve your problem or learn something new about your PC. My goal on this channel is to make everything about computers simple and easy, whether it's fixing errors, downloading software or any game, boosting performance of any Windows or any game, or understanding new tools. If this video was helpful in any way, don't forget to hit the like button because it really motivates me to keep bringing you more useful content. And if you're new here, make sure to subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you never miss any future tutorials, tips, and PC fixes. Also, if you're facing any issues or have any questions related to computers, Windows, software, or anything technical, drop them in the comments. I read all of your comments and I'll try my best to help you out. Thanks a lot for watching. Take care of your system, keep learning, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.